Nice. 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 Hey, this stuff is not bad. I actually love this stuff. Okay, that's aside from the point. Hey guys, Johnny here, and today we have something quite special actually. To me anyway. And yeah, I hope you guys are still enjoying my, just my phone bit here. I hope you guys are still enjoying my channel. I hope my videos are still fun. I will be coming out with a small secret very soon. And it will be, I guess I will like Dave to join me in revealing that secret. It's a very sad one for me actually. You might not feel the same, but I'll just give you a small hint. In maybe next month, this entire studio, I won't be in the studio. I won't be in my room. Everything will change. That's a very big hint. That's a very big hint. So, if you still can't figure it out, you're probably retarded. No offense. But anyway, if you're probably wondering what I'm talking about, as you read the title, come on! What is it? Well, let me go ahead and show you. Bam! Bam! Wireless PS2 controller. Original PS2 discs. Yosh, this is gonna be a good video. Okay, well I have to go, so this might be quick, and let's just start off by saying, well, I tested this at the shop, so it's not really my first reaction. But I wish she could have cut it better. I mean, she could have just slit this part open, but okay, let's get it out of the box. So, basically how it works is, okay, so out of the box you get this PS4 like PS3 controller like pedestal. And with it, you get this receiver, this wireless receiver mechanism, which you plug into your PS2, and it sends the signals wirelessly. Now let's get this, the star of the show, out of the box. I got new pedestal. Now, I chose this color scheme because it looks like my PS3 controller. I'll put a picture of that on screen right now. Yeah, so you can see just pretty much what it looks like. Actually, this is pretty neat. It looks just like a PS3 controller. I mean, aside from the switch and the battery, are there batteries in here? Of course there aren't. I need batteries. Yeah, I'll go get some batteries later. But aside from the battery plate, the empty sticker area, the on-off switch, and there not being any emblem, along with the kind of back button design, there's not really much you can say to distinguish this from a PS3 controller. That's pretty neat, ain't it? Alright, so why don't we rest that there in its pedestal in all its glory. Okay, I found some batteries. Let's put them in and see what happens. Alright. Let's turn it on. I like the way it just centers. Oh, let me show you that. Let me show you guys that. Okay, so the green LED seems to be... Wait, let me try and read them. I almost broke the switch there. Okay, so green seems to be power. Red seems to be mode. Okay, so we have to plug this guy in to a PS2. So why don't we get to that? Okay, it's time to get back to this guy. That was the ultimate fail. Let me pick up the channel. Alright, so we're going to have to quickly assemble our PS2, which is in here. Oh, there's the controller, which is almost looks identical. We have a few games down here, but they're all kind of crap. One. Okay, we got mode. We got power. Okay, we're good, we're good. Can I pick this up? Okay. I forgot how to play this game. Okay. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and drive around in this car. Game FM. Let's check out the volume. Okay, we already have an error. Turn this bad boy on. Okay. We have input from here and from there. Oh wait, no, we don't. Okay, we have input. We have input. No, I don't really feel much pain. I got a knife in my back and a bullet in my brain. Oh. Anyway, hey guys, Johnny here. Okay, it's been a few days now after I got PS2 fixed, and I'm just going to quickly skim through all of the games, so let's just get this over with real quick, shall we? Yeah, I kind of want to get this on YouTube so my channel stops dying. Oh yeah, if the controller dies off, right? You gotta press the start button, and then it comes back on. Like, press the start button, it comes back on. It looks like the batteries are dead, but they really aren't. Well, all I can say for this is that it's a very solid piece of equipment. It's not gimmicky. It's actually very nice to use. Well, the rubber kind of wears out in a bit, but in other words, it's fine. Thanks for watching this video. I will upload more like this, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye.